My mum and dad put my pants outside and now they're freezing solid. We're at the Beechworth jail and this was where Aunt Kelly was. I'm in Beechworth jail and I'm a prisoner.
Unless a male criminal will work up to the hard one. A short-term non-violent prison.
The Beechworth jail wasn't as fun as the Adelaide jail or the Melbourne jail. Aunt Kelly part at Beechworth was fun and the pool in the jail. I've never seen a pool in a jail, and the Melbourne one never had a pool in the Adelaide. Tonight we stopped in a free camp in Junee and we saw lots of bunnies, and tonight we're roasting marshmallows and this is our fire. This is amazing, and we're having German sausage and we're also having a fire, we're having apple juice and we're having food. And soon we're going to roast marshmallows. We have to check. A bit longer. Perfect. So squishy.
Oh, maybe too long. Oh, perfect.
Oh, Mummy. You're too distracted on me.